Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing about Freshdesk, and this is the best help desk and ticketing software. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. So currently we are on the dashboard, and here you can see analytics related to different type of tickets that are created. So demo data is already added, so you can see your unresolved tickets, overdue, due date, and open, and which are on hold and unassigned. So basically this is displaying all of the data about the tickets that are being added in here. So now if you head over to your tickets section, here you can create new tickets and add different type of filters. So you can search, so you can see currently this is now added. So click on this and you can simply choose it to assign, close. So you can assign it to a team member, whomever. You can also add using the options below. So you can see you have your close, you can mark it close, you have your bulk update, you have scenarios, merge, spam, and even delete. So on the left side or on the right side, basically you can see your filters and other different type of options for filtering your tickets. So of course you're going to be having a lot of tickets created once you start using it. You can see you have new ticket, new email, and new contact and company options as well. So on the left side you can see you have your contacts that you can add in here. You can see already the sample data is added to try out, and also you can see we have our solutions for different type of issues that you can add your FAQs, getting started, and then you have your forums, and finally analytics that are going to be displaying everything going on your business. And yeah, so now adding on to this platform, you can see we have amazing reviews about it, like for example seamless customer support with Freshdesk, seamless problem solution with Freshdesk, and much more. So basically give it a try using the link in the description, and you can get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. That is it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next one.